Alright guys, so I've got my Bespoke Post here. We're going to unbox this and tell you everything you need to know about Bespoke Post. It's the monthly subscription box where you get all sorts of awesome goodies for your house, your life, and everything that makes your life great. Alright, so check out the Bespoke Post box review. So I am Andrew Wise with Life Tailored, and we talk about style, travel, and everything that makes your life amazing. Make sure to like and subscribe below, and also follow me on Instagram at Life Tailored. Okay guys, we've got our Bespoke Post box here. This is the monthly subscription box that comes once a month. It's 45 bucks a month, and inside you've got all sorts of goodies for your home, for your life, for your manly lifestyle here. So as I sort of open this box, I realized that the knife here is another Bespoke Post box purchase I'd made. This is maybe 2 years ago I got this knife. And a little thing about Bespoke Post box, I joined in 2013, so I've been a member for 5 years, so I really love what they do. Okay, let's put on the video glasses and check out what we've got in our box here. Okay, so the way the boxes work is you're opted in automatically for the box, and if you don't like the box, all you have to do is just click to opt out. I do maybe 3 or 4 boxes a year, but this one is the, where's the thing? This is the ether. So this is the ether box, and it's stuff I don't have around the house, and it's something I wouldn't buy for myself. So inside this box we've got a planter, which I thought was for your rings, and I guess could be for your rings, but it's also for like succulents or anything that doesn't require water. So I've got my little ring holder slash succulent holder. I've got my concrete tray divider here, and this is what I put like my all my desk stuff, all that stuff that's just kind of sitting on my desk. You know, I load this up so it's a little more organized. Let's just organize everything here. All right, perfect. Woo. Okay, a lot more organized now. What else do we got in here? So we've got our little 3D puzzle here, which they say is perfect for kind of zoning out and just relaxing. And this is a type of fun little gadget or gag gift that I would never buy for myself, but it's a good thing to do once I've had like 1 or 2 Macallans on a nice Thursday or Friday, trying to relax and zone out. So let's move all this stuff here. And then finally, this is kind of the centerpiece of the box this month. It is a, what is it called? Yeah, it's called a Serene House. It's a diffuser, and it comes with eucalyptus oil. So this is the same oil they use at Equinox on those towels I love so much. I'm going to put a link to the video so you can check it out and see how great those towels are for yourself. So the way this works, you pour the oil on here, 5 or 10 drops, and then it'll just kind of diffuse the area, your room, make you a little more relaxed and calm. And I've been using these essential oils a lot lately in place of like a Bengay, just because my muscles are getting super sore. So you rub on some like peppermint oil or eucalyptus, and it just like calms them, relaxes them, gets you ready for the next sort of session. Okay, so now that we've gone through our Bespoke Post box haul here, let's just talk a little bit more about Bespoke Post. So it's 45 bucks a month, and it differs from the other subscription boxes in that I've done Birchbox for men, which is mainly exclusive perfume, cologne, skincare, beard products, shaving stuff. I get a ton of that stuff already from Amazon. What I like about Bespoke Post is it has all sorts of different things that I wouldn't buy. So other boxes included like an alcohol kit where they've got the square ice cubes or the round ice cubes. Okay, so some of the other Bespoke Post kits I've really loved was one called Point, and that included like a brass keychain. It came with like a cool little pocket knife, and it came with this pen that I use all the time, a nice brass pen. I don't have a great pen, and this is the one that's always on my desk. A new thing that Bespoke Post is doing is they're doing more than 1 box per month. So for August, I'm seeing 6 different boxes you can sign up for. The Kombucha, the Alforno, the Ether, the Ace, Prepared, or Point. So now that when you sign up, you can choose one of 6 boxes. So if you don't like the Ether that I got, you could get that Ace. You can get the Point and grab this pen for the PowerPoint, point. The other thing Bespoke Post does is it makes it easy to kind of add on to your box. So if you wanted to add on like a shoe brush or an apron or any sort of random gadget or apparel that goes with your box to pair with it, it's a perfect sort of thing. Now Bespoke Post, since it's so unique, I think it's a great sort of Father's Day gift or gift for guys. So if you're looking for something that's unique and for the guy that's got kind of everything, Bespoke Post is a great sort of option. You can buy just one box, or maybe you can do 3 boxes, or maybe even the yearly subscription for them. And it's kind of a guaranteed way to make sure they're happy, because they can go in and customize and pick out whether they like tobacco or alcohol or clothing or home stuff. And it's just kind of an awesome sort of gift. It's a lot better than that, $100 gift card to the restaurant that they're probably never going to use, or something else that's not going to fit them. For any sort of gift, I would go with Bespoke Post. Now, as far as Bespoke Post rating, on a 1 to 5 scale, I'd give it a 5-star. I've been a member for 5 years. So for 45 bucks, it's pretty hard to get that much fun or utility out of any sort of box. So definitely, get yourself a Bespoke Post. I'm going to put my link down below, which is going to give you a little discount when you sign up using my referral code. So hopefully you guys enjoy Bespoke Post as much as I do. Leave your comments down below. And finally, if you like this review, we have a ton of more reviews on our channel. Make sure to subscribe down below. Like this video if you appreciate the content, and I'll see you guys for the next one.